This is the Maya show, right? It's all about Miss Maya. Step up. Show them how you step up. Show them how sweet you are. Who's my pretty girl? Who's my pretty Miss Maya? He loves to be touched. Step up. Step up. Yeah. And go upside down. Go upside down and show them what a pretty girl you are. Yeah, show the people in Movie Land what a pretty girl Maya is. Look at that. She just lays there. She likes to be touched. Alright, step up. Step up. Little Miss Maya. I know. I'm such a pretty girl. We have days where you can't even reach into Maya's cage because she wants to take the hunk out of you. And then we have other days where little Miss Maya loves attention. Right, Zoe? Zoe's above us, isn't she? Is Zoe up ahead? I love you, Maya. I love you. Step up here. Come on. Step up here. Come on, step up. Step up. Let's show them what a sweetheart you are. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Shh. It's okay. Let's show them how to go to sleep. Let's show them how Maya will go to sleep. Nothing like a good face rub for Miss Maya. She's a princess. I know. Everything's okay, Maya. Everything's okay. I love you, Miss Maya. Poor little Maya. She had a very rough beginning. Maya was part of a breeding pair, and she and her partner would defend their cage. So the breeder was having trouble giving them food and water. They didn't want to lose their fingers. But then Maya came to live with me. And we found out how much Maya loves to be touched. So she's still pretty scared of fingers. But she's learned that her mommy's always going to touch her with love. Haven't you, Maya? Haven't you? And we do love her. Because she's perfect. Aren't you, Maya? Aren't you? Show everybody what a good girl you are. You're a perfect little baby, Maya. Yes, you are. You're a perfect little baby. Let go. Let go. Alright, you want to step up? You want to step up? Yes, Maya. She loves her mommy. And her mommy loves her.